Hi, here I'm going to talk about solving one variable linear equation word problem using two-step method, right? Take a note that it is not one step, but two steps because of the nature of the word problem, okay? All right, so let's read the problem first. Here we go. Sarah had $30 and she went to a stationery store to buy pens. She bought 8 pens at the same price. After purchasing, she had $14 left. How much did each pen cost? So to write down the equation, to set up the equation, first write down the sum. At the initial, she has $30, right? So enter the initial value and then you're gonna add up how much dollars she left plus 8 pence times the cost for each. So 8 pen, we don't know how much each costs. So we have 8 pen again times the price of each pen, which is X. Because each pen costs the same price. So we're gonna write down 8 pen times the price of each pen, right? Right, plus the amount of money she left with, which is $14, right? Uh, uh, remember that we don't enter dollar sign when you write down the equation, okay? We just write down the numbers. All right, 8 times x is the same as 8x, okay? Can remove the dot. Now, we need to enter equal on the right side of the two terms and then $30. That's the most common use of writing down an equation of like this, okay? Doesn't matter if it's on the left or on the right, but this is a very common way. All right. Now we're going to find the value of x, which is the price of each pen. So you're going to follow the mathematical algorithm to find the value of x. Right? I explained this in my previous video, but we're going to use the same procedure now. Now here you go. We need x to be by itself on the left side of equal sign. So to do so, first copy 8x and plus 14, it just brings them down. However, to remove 14, we're going to find the opposite of plus 14, right? The opposite of plus 14 is, what's the opposite of plus, which is minus, right? Minus, and they're going to copy 14. Just copy 14 itself, okay? After you change the sign. All right, copy and paste. All right, whatever you enter on the left side, which is this one, minus 14, should be copied and entered on the right side as well, okay? All right. So I just copy this one and paste to the left side, okay? As you all see, I bring 30 down here already. All right, once you do that step, bring 8x down again. 14 minus 14 is 0. Plus 0, or just remove that because 0 is nothing. All right, 30 minus 14 is 16, right? Just bring it equal down, then 30 minus 14 is 16, all right? Now, we first do as the first step, which is this, all right? This is my first step. And now my second step is we're going to remove 8 from x. Here, there's multiplication between 8 and x, right? But here, the previous one, there's only addition, right? So when you have multiplication, 8 times x, to remove 8 from x, you're gonna use inverse operation, which means it's divided by itself. All right, and whatever you did on the left side again, you're gonna do on the right side. Okay, just copy that and paste on the right side of equal. I just see here. All right, just copy and paste on the right side. All right, now 8 divided by 8 is 1, left with x. All right, bring equal down here. All right, 16 divided by 8 is 2, right? 16 divided by 8 is 2, right? So 1x is the same as x. So the value of x is 2, which means each pen costs $2. Now you can write down your answer in a phrase or statement, okay? So answer, each pen costs $2, okay? Now when you write down the answer in a phrase like this, now we're gonna enter the dollar sign, okay? All right, this is a two-step method to solve a given problem like this one, okay? Because multiplication involved in this case, right? The number of pen is 8, and the times the value of each pen, which we don't know. So in that case, when multiplication here and addition here involved, we use two steps. So just to give a note, here we have operations of what? The operations include, the operations are addition and multiplication. All right, the addition is, as you see here, it's right here, and the multiplication is 8 times x, right? But usually we don't enter the dots, just leave like that. So when you have two operations, you're gonna use two step, right? You're gonna go two step, as you see here. This is my first step. In the first step, you remove this 14, right? By bring its minus 14, the opposite of 4, right? On both sides. And the second step was the second step, you eliminate 8 by using inverse operation, right? Divided 8 by itself. All right, that's how we solve such kind of given problem, okay? When two operations involved, use two steps. All right, thank you for watching.